Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon.
So hi guys, today I'm going to do the review of the Dell Latitude 5480, and this is the first time that I'm going to review the laptop on my channel. I hope you really like this video. So I'm your friend Manish and watching Technical Charge, so let's get started with the video. So hi guys, I'm going to review for the first time on my channel is the Dell laptop, which is the Dell Latitude 5480, which you can see written over here, and on the back side over here I can see a Windows signal and a window logo, and over here I can see the normal kind of a grill and a grill over here. So let me go for a point to point. So from over here I'm able to see a point which you are able to connect, or you can lock your laptop, and normal USB port over here, and this is the point for your SD card. If I remove it, even you can insert your SD card over here to transfer your any data from the mobile devices or from your DSLR to over here, which is again an interesting point. And over here I have not been able to see any kind of I think the point for the light over here, and on the side I'm able to see the 3.5mm jack, which is again the interesting point where you can able to connect it to your audio devices or any kind of other storage. So this is again a USB port which I'm over getting here, and here again a port where you can connect your any VGA devices or any of the CRT screens, so you can able to project any screen only from your laptop to any external devices. So this is again the port which I not been able to see, or I might be again the lock point over here, and over here I'm able to see the LAN port, so you can connect your devices from here to any kind of a modem or through the LAN. And this is the point for the grill, and over here I can able to see your audio for the SIM card. I think this is the slot for the SIM card, and this is for the slot for the HDMI cable, and again the USB port, and this is the port for your charging. So overall the screen size of which I say is again of the 14 inches. So let me boot it this for you. Till the time let me show you the charger which we are getting with this device. So this is the charger which we are getting is again a pin charger, not a Type-C charger which we are saying in the Lenovo tab version of the laptop or the Yoga version, which is pretty much good. And this is it, and this is the normal charger, 3-pin charger which we are getting, and behind it it's nothing says as the fast charger or anything, it just says made in China and a little bit of marking over here. So over here you can see it's written that Dell 90-volt charger, so this can charge it support up to 90 volt, which is again a good point. So let me show you the laptop right now, how this looks in the boot screen. So this is the laptop which we are able to enable it. If I work on anything on the keyboard, you're able to see the light glowing up, and it's kind of a good finish. If you're working in the dark, you can able to see the full keyboard over here. Nothing much, the 3 points over here, and over here are your pointer which you can use it to use as a mouse or as a joystick. So this is a kind of the feature which we're getting with this laptop. Over here it says Latitude, your power on and off button over here, and a sticker over here which says Intel Core i7, and that's it. And let me go to the screen and let me show you that how much is the space which we are getting with this device. So as you can able to see clearly, it over here it says around 500 GB of storage which are getting, and I haven't made any partition out of it. And let me show you the device and what are the settings of this phone or this laptop. So this is which you are getting. I'm getting the Windows 10 Enterprise Edition with this laptop, and let me zoom it up a bit and let me show you clearly. So over here it says that Intel Core TM i7 6600U CPU at the 2.60 GHz and 2.80 GHz, and the RAM which is installed is of 16 GB. Still I am able to use 15.9 GB as I have not been installed any software or anything in this. So over here it says 16 system type, 64-bit operating processor, and the touch support with 10 touch points. So again I've told you, as I've not been able to mention it earlier, this is a touch laptop, which means if I want to able to go to over here, I can go over here easily. So this is a kind of a touch laptop which we are getting, and let me zoom in a bit. You can see this is a touch laptop which I am getting with this device. So this is all about the laptop, and let me use it for a couple of days. So let me Before I close this video, let me show you that again it's supported by the internal web space over here and this point for the mics, as I've not been able to see any sort of a mic over here. So this is all the things which I'm getting, and it's a kind of a good laptop. So let me use it for a couple of weeks and months, and let me share my review with you completely how this laptop is going to work and how much able to deliver it on the battery, as I heard that its battery is almost running around 7 to 8 hours on the battery, and if it go for one charge, and one charge almost take to 1.5 to 2 hours, and after that it's almost go for around, let's say, around 7 to 8 hours, which I've heard. And let me use it for a couple of days, and let me get you the reviews and how much this is. So I hope you will like this video. If you have liked this video, please leave down a comment and let me know what you want to know about this laptop.
So I hope you really liked the video about the Dell Latitude 5480. I'm able to show you that what this laptop has to offer to us, what kind of the USB port this laptop has, and let me use it for a couple of days and couple of weeks, and let me show you the review and how the laptop is performing to me and to heavy gaming and the heavy usage in the offices or in the business world. So I hope you like this video. Please do leave me a comment that what kind of stuff you want to watch on my channel, and please share this video with your friends, with your family, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.